the AI talent market is unlike anything I have seen before. Give me some street gossip. Is it Meta offers for real?
Oh, yeah, I think it is real. So we recently were interviewing a PhD researcher in Paris for our Paris lab. So the offer was reasonably like probably 1x to 2x for a market standards in that Paris market, for example. They overcrowded with valuation and inflated the price. But now the inverse is also happening, right? Like Meta Labs is now consolidating, which means they are removing a lot of other researchers as well. They're back into the market, or many of them or some of them are back into the market. And it's quite hard for them to now go back to realistic numbers. So the inflation happened, but automatically the correction is also now happening to some extent. But the talent is very much appreciated, going for very good premium for the right set of skills. Again, it also depends upon right set of receivables as well, right? In terms of is it coming from the right lab and all that stuff. But the inflation is happening quite well. May not be as much as what Meta was doing 3-4 months back. It kind of corrected very, very, very quickly. Yeah.
Well, I mean, $100 million, is that really something? I mean, is this like cash plus Metacom, given Meta is a listed company? What's the breakup? Because that sounds too good to
Yeah.
be true. But I've heard it from many angles that there are these kind of offers being rolled out. And I'm not talking about the, $1 billion acqui-hires that have happened, right? 15-member company and like a big, $1 billion type of acquisition. But
Yeah.
Meta especially going and hiring people at this comp and at this rate. Do you think it stopped because they've kind of filled their team, or do you think it was just a momentary lapse of reason?
Yeah, I think I probably like the strategy that Mark has followed, right? So his reasoning to give such a ludicrous offer is they're going to invest maybe 200, $300 billion on the infra just to build out the foundation models or just to build any kind of new models. Even if you assume, let's say your capex cost is about half a trillion, and the fair bit of assumption is for any capex, your capex cost will probably about 30% of your expense, right, for your entire IP asset.
Right.
If they are expecting to invest half $1 trillion, they would probably put a value or ready to spend at least another 3 times of it, right, or 2 times of it bare minimum. That's their justification. So if they are going to invest so much in the infra to be able to build the IP out of it, they would rather try to get the frontier talent that is required to deliver. Compromising on that piece is, you're kind of risking out the entire investment that you made. It make a lot of logical sense.